In this video you will learn how to hack any WhatsApp, and many tips and tricks from the beginning to the advanced and to the hacker type. Let's start. Please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for more incoming videos, and like the videos and comment what you have question, if any question you have. Hello friend, today I will show you the basics and the advanced feature of the WhatsApp GB. And no one can tell you about these awesome tricks and hacks. If you use the WhatsApp, this is an amazing tricks for all of you. So first of all, what is WhatsApp GB? You can easily download WhatsApp GB from my channel Telegram. Open the Telegram app and search Mr. WIP and click here public channel. Here you will find the WhatsApp GB. This is the WhatsApp GB, and download it, and after downloading it, install this. Okay, after installing this, when you install this app, so open this WhatsApp GB. After opening WhatsApp GB, you see there are many options with you. First of all, this is the chat section. In chat section, all your friends and all your content are present. So what can you do in the chat section? What the tricks and the things you can do in the chat section? So first of all, if you click here on the chat section, on any chat, there are options coming. One is the pin. In this pin, you can only pin on the real WhatsApp. You can only pin three pins. Okay, but in this WhatsApp you can pin how many you want. Okay, so this is the best option with you. So if you click here, there is an option delete. If you click on the delete button, then these will remove. For example, I click here. When I click here and click on the delete button, this chat will removed from here. Okay, you have not seen that chart here. Now if you click on the phone number, and there is coming a notification. This is called notification. If you click here, this is that you can mute notification for 8 or 1 week always. So you can select any of them. Now if you click here and see, this is the archive things. This is present in all the WhatsApp, in the official website and the GB WhatsApp. So if you click here, this person will come to the archive. You can find here. Let's click here. After clicking here, these archive message are come here. So you can archive any message you want. And the best thing, if you click here and click on the three button. On the three button, there is an option mark as unread. If anyone sent you message and you want to read that, so you can not read, so mark as unread. You can do that. Okay, there is add chat shortcut. If you click here, this person come to my home page, and I will talk with him from the home page. Just click here and opening their chat. Okay, so when you click here and click on the three dot button, add chart shortcut, so the shortcut will be present for you in the home screen. And now web content, if you click on here, you will see the contact number of this person, invite to group, and hide chat. This is the best thing. If you click here on the hide chat, this person go to the hide chat section. This person will go to the hide. Oh, that person has become going. But now so if you click here, you have to select the hide chart. After hiding chart, you have to give the password which you have written. What's the name of your pet? Okay, so I have wrong password enter here. Now I enter the password. If you So I don't know the answer of the question, the answer of this question. So what can I do? You click again here and click on the hide chat. If I click hide chat, why I don't know the, oh shit, why I don't know the answer. I don't know what is if you click again here, click on the hide chart, click on the hide chart, you have to enter the password. So what my password will be? My password will be, oh, that is the, so you have any chart you can hide from here. Okay, so this is all the option about chart. If you click here, this is the hide chart. Now we go to the group section. If you click on the any group, you can see that there is the group info. If you click on the group info, the group information will come to you, all of this. If you enter to any group, for example I am entering to my group, if you click here and send any message, now this I will explain it later. Okay, so now we are focusing on the UI of the home page. So this is the group chart. Now this is a status. In the status I have two status, but I have two status. If any status you have, you click on the any status and click on the mute button, then no notification will come to you about the status. So okay, so and the another option is the status. If you click on these icon, this camera icon, you will see the picture of yourself and the values here. You have to sweep up. After sweeping up, there's the value, all the things come to you. If you click, this is the value and you can send it to your status. So these all things you can send it to the WhatsApp status, and after you have sent, you have click on the status and you can know that who watch my status. So you have just sweep up and you can see that this person watch my status. And you have mute status. If you click here, the mute status will come to you. Now this is all the calls present to you. So this is the home page. Now we have to go the advanced features of the WhatsApp. So if you click here and click here to send a message, after sending message, what is the option? There is the option. Now if two clicks option is come here, this mean that if you click here and click on the three dot button and click on the info, this mean that the message is delivered. And if two green button is here, then it's mean that the message is read. If there is for example, I tell to you, if I want to send message to this person, I have sent this message. So you can see that here is one tick option. One tick option means that message is not delivered. The person have no internet and not online and not seen your message. And if here you see that this person have internet connection, this person is online, this person have a WhatsApp is using his data. Okay, so this person is delivered. So if he read the message, then this option will come to you, the two click button 2. Okay, now go to the again. Now this is the WhatsApp. Go to the group. If you go to the group and send any message, I have sent this message, click on the here and click on the three dot button. After click on the three dot, just on the info. Here in the info you see that this message is read by this person and delivered to these 3 person and 12 person are remaining. Okay, by this method you can find how many person are active. So 1 2 3 4, these person have online, but some people are out of the WhatsApp, some are in the WhatsApp, and some have read the message. These person have read my message. Okay, now come back. After coming back, this is the status. What can you do in the status section? If you click on the three dot button, status privacy. If you click on the status, there is 3 options with you. You can share your status with someone, you can hide your status from someone. Okay, and back. you can share only with some person. Okay, these are, if you want to send your status to all contact, just click here. If you want to hide your status from someone, just click here. If you want to hide your status from this person, just click here and select button. Just click accept, select this and click on the tick button. Okay, if you want to share with only one person, just select that person and click on the select button. Now come back. After coming back, this is the option. Now we have to go the advanced feature of WhatsApp GB. Okay, now the advanced feature of WhatsApp GB is click on the three dot button, and after clicking on the three dot button, click on the GB setting. Here you can find GB setting, privacy and security. You have, if you enable this, then no one can know that if you read the message, then no one can know that you have already read the message. Okay, and this is disable forward. If you click here, then allow you to resend, then you can resend the message without forwarding option. I will show you how is it happen. That, for example, if you forward message, then that person receive that this message is forwarded from someone. If you on this message, then that person never know that you have forward message. That person consider that the message is sent by you, from your account, from your storage. Who can call me? If you click on here, then my content, then nobody can call me. This is the best option. Okay, so my contacts, only your contacts can call you and no one can call you. Okay, now the last status is status, hide view status. If you want to, don't tell contact that you have viewed their status. If you on the status, then no one person and no one of your person, if you view the status of any person, then that person will never be informed that you viewed their status. Anti-delete status, if you on these, then no one can delete their status. If they delete their status, but you will know their status, what they have uploaded. Chats, in the chat section, anti-delete message mean if anyone delete message, then these option will come back and anti-delete your message. The delete message will come to you. Okay, show blue tick after reply. Contact will only see blue tick after you reply. If you click this, if you see the message, then the person don't know that you see the message, and when you reply the message, then the contact will know that this person have now see the message. So you can easily do that. Now contact change privacy setting. If you click here, hide blue ticks, hide second ticks, hide blue microphone, hide typing, these all things you can hide from your chats. No one can. Groups, if you click on the group, hide blue ticks, hide second tick, hide blue, then this is the option in the groups chat. Broadcast, hide blue ticks, hide second tick. Now this is not for you, this is just for business purposes. Now the best feature which I have mentioning for you is universal setting. If you click on the universal setting, this is the option you have. For example, you are sending photos to someone that is not in the best quality, you have just select this and the photo will be shared in the best pixel. So now you click, we have again entered the universal setting, and we have now there is, you see that if you click on the send photo, it's what is the, if you want to on this option, after on, when you on this option, what will happen? The WhatsApp is reducing the image quality. If you on this option, then the WhatsApp cannot reduce the image quality, and you will transfer the HD image to your person, to your people, to your friends. Okay, now increase the send media status MB limit. For example, if you want to send something, some file, and that is increased, that is high, that is high, so WhatsApp don't allow it to you to send it. So what can you do? So just open open that or on that option and click maybe later. If you click yes, the WhatsApp will restart. So you don't like to restart it, maybe later. Okay, now the second thing is send 5-minute status. Wow, it is an amazing tricks. User who also enable this option in Gmail can see status up to 300 seconds. This is an amazing option. So click here and apply it. Okay, this is the very amazing. No one can know about it. Now for send 5-minute status, I have opened this option. On this option, this can help you. So on this option or off this option, that you can send any WhatsApp status to anyone. Disable media share limit. If you click default, limit of media share amount is 30. If you click here, then for example, if you want to share default limit, if you click here, then you can send message to 30% at a time. In WhatsApp, you have only shared WhatsApp message to only 5%, but if you on this option, you will send message to 30%. Okay, and the third thing is send status in the best quality. If you want to send your status in the best quality, just open this. What's the best quality mean here? The default quality of WhatsApp status is 80%. It means that your quality of video is reduced. Okay, and that's reduced quality don't like much people don't like that much quality. So you have to on this option. This will consume your MB more, but this give you 100% quality. That's why I prefer to all of you to use it. So and these three things, how to hide media from galleries that no one can know. For example, if any friend sent you voice message, if anyone do something with you, then what can you do? For example, if you click on the photo, if anyone send you photo, then all the photo hides from the gallery and will remain on the WhatsApp. If you click on the video button, all the videos will hide from the galleries and will come to the WhatsApp. No one can see that. And hide media from the gallery. GIF, if you click the GIF, no one can see your GIF. Okay, this is the amazing. But I want to see all my photos, videos in the gallery. Now I don't do that. So okay, now there is another 3 option. So what these 3 options do? If you the first turn on chat heads. What's it mean? Chat head let you receive message on the WhatsApp even while you are using other app. For example, this now you see that this is the WhatsApp chat heads. If this person sent me message and I use any other app, but the message will come to me here and I just click on this button and just go to that chart. So this is called head chart. You see this contact, this is a contact. Okay, this is the contact. So if you hide this, then that thing is okay, gone. Now increase forward limit. Forward image to up to 300 chart. If you want to forward message to 300 people, then what can you do? Just click here and maybe later. In this process, you can do 300 chats. 300 people to 300 people can easily forward your message. And the self-destruct. How to self-destruct the message? This self-destruct message will destruct your message, will finish your message after some time if anyone read your message. But this option is also present in the general WhatsApp. So just on or off it. But I don't on it because I want to store every message of the person. I store the deleted message, I do everything. Now go to the status. The best tricks of the status. What is the best trick of the status? If you come here, universal setting, and you see that status mute update. If you click there, then no notification will come to you of the status. View update, hide view update section. Then if you click here, then you don't know who viewed your status, but we want to know the status. We want to notify about the status. Recent update, if you click, then no notification come to you. So these three things are very best muted updates, view updates, recent update. How can you do it? Okay, this is the best. Now updates, auto update new version. Don't use it, because it's maybe, for example, if you use this WhatsApp GB and the WhatsApp GB update your WhatsApp, that is not better for you. So just come back. After coming back, you have to theme store, how to change your theme, how to change your background theme, how to change your chat theme. Best things that you can do with your WhatsApp GB. Now I will show you easily. Okay, so for example, if you click on the three dot button, after click on the three dot button, just click on the GB setting. After clicking on the GB setting, you will come to this page and you will see that theme store, home screen. If you click on the home screen, there is the option, many option. Now disable contact online toast. If you click here, then no one can know that you are online, that the message is delivered to you or not. Okay, and the ringtone context, separate chats and group. If you click here, if you on this option, then the chat and the WhatsApp come back. Then this is the chat and this is the group. If you GB setting and click on the home screen, if you see how to separate chat and groups, if you off this, then when you will see that there is only chat. Okay, now the group, there is the max, everything is max, but we don't want to max it. Just click on the three dot button, GB setting. After GB setting, just click on the home screen and open this button. Wow, this is amazing. Now the chats and group are separated from each other. Home had used my name. If you click, this is the best option. Home had used my name, that your WhatsApp will be use your name, but I don't recommend it. Show DND mode, shortcut mode. If you what is DND mode? DND modes mean do not disturb me. If you want to do not disturbance, if you don't want disturbance, just open this, just on this, then no one can disturb you. DND mode can easily off here. Show dark mode, this is the dark mode and the white mode, but okay, I want to on this option. Now pin more than 3. If you click here, then you how to pin more than 3 conversation. For that purpose, you have to click on the 3 on this button and you will easily pin many content. Custom tab style, if you click here, default show the full text, if necessary show icon instead of text, but I tell to you this is the recommended option, default. Okay, now come back. After coming back, you have the theme store. Come back to the WhatsApp and I just tell you. Now I will show you how to change these background status, this background and the chat background, everything you want to know, this how can you do it. So for that purpose, you have to click on the 3 dot button. After clicking on the 3 dot button, just click on the GB setting. After click on the GB setting, just click on the theme store. After theme store, there is the online theme and there is the local theme. If you use I have not internet now you can easily download these all theme. So just click on the local. If you click on the local, there is many options. There are now I have only only these option, these what, how many these are, very it is many WhatsApp, many themes. You can select any of them. Now we will see which is the best for us. So I recommended it to use this is very best. Okay, now I click on the just come back, and you will see what happened to my WhatsApp GB. Now let's wait for it. Okay, we are waiting for this. What will happen when you click on that theme? These option will come to you, so you have just select any of them. What can you do? This is the best, or this what can is the best for you. So if you apply this, your status, your background and your chat will become like this. So just click on the apply button. I have applied these. Now you see that this is my all WhatsApp, and this is my WhatsApp chat. Okay, this is my WhatsApp chat, this is my WhatsApp home screen, and this is the group, and this is the status, this is the calls, everything are here present. So now click on the three dot button. We again enter to the new setting and click on the GB setting. Now this is DIY theme. If you click on the DIY theme, the DIY theme means that you can make your own theme. For example, if you click on the edit button, this is the recommended platform, this is the recommended things for you. So you can change anything here. For example, if you want to icons, you can change the icons, color, everything. So this is the best option for all of you. Okay, so if you want to change this, let's change this or leave it. Okay, and color pone, if you click on the color pone, loading chloropone theme. For example, if you open the WhatsApp, this option will be chloropone will coming to you. So now this is showing to us the themes of all chloromes. Okay, now come back. Now I have see the GB setting is there. Now I tell to how to find the location of someone, how to find anything of someone. There are many options, many things, many hacks. How can you do it? For example, if you click on this button, now you see that if you click on this option, this circular option, and want to know the real-time location of any person, how can that is possible? How is that possible? You can add a link of a video, a link of anything. Add a link, you have to paste that link here. After, just send it. When you send it, this link will send to that person, and you have to send that link. Okay, you have to, this link will come to you, or you have send to you. When that person click on your link, then you will inform that person location. Okay, this is the best option. How can you find? Just click on this option and daily horoscope. You can select any of them. Okay, and just send button, and let's go on. This is the many best option for all of you. Now what can you do, and what is the best thing? Okay, I have explained everything clearly, and now I know that you have no confusion. Okay, now we enter to the text information. What is the text? What is the text, and how can you write many easily text? Just click here, how to bold your text on the WhatsApp. Okay, so just click on the here and click on the three dot, click on these, or you know that button, this is the star, and write anything. Hello, I write hello. So this is not in the bold form. If you write this star from the bold side, then this button will be hello will become bold. If you click on if you write hello and then write these option. For example, if you write these option from both sides, then you will see the magic. Okay, for example, this is the hello word. If you write this sign from both sides, then the hello become like this. Okay, now the another option is just click here, write hello. If you write the hello word, just write these word to both sides. Okay, now this is converted to italic form. If you want to write these all at the same time, so what can you do? You will do for example, two dot button, then click on this button, and you have to click on the for italic sign. For italic sign you have to use this. So you have to use this option from both sides. So we have used dot, now we will use this sign for italic. Okay, this become italic. Now when we use again the another option, that is now this. Now you see that I use 3 of word in just a same piece of word. Okay, this is the best option for you. Now come back, and I have already find all things to you, and now there is no option. Okay, and this is the best thing for all of you. Just subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for more coming more. Thanks for watching.